Have you ever had a nasty accident?
No, I did that. Oh, no.
What? Oh, I don't understand.
Have you tried turning it off and on again, sir?
Let's try this one.
Oh, what ugly wheels you've got.
Daisy was furious.
I can hear yous two laughing away, ha ha ha.
Sir Topham Hatt was becoming suspicious.
That's not a very good joke.
According to the official railway rule book, birds are not allowed on goods cars.
It could have been anything.
But I'm sure there's nothing to... Oh, no!
Poor Henry wouldn't be going to the mainland now.
Grandfather is a pretty resourceful man.
I'm green. Oh, this is terrible.
But we're entertainers.
That's what I thought when I dropped it.
Right then, let's see if you can keep up with me. Ready? Steady?
Hello, Thomas.
Oh, you should never judge a book by its cover.
Phew, silly steamies. I've never read a book in my life.
Just be careful, Duncan, and go extra slowly with all this snow. Thanks for the reminder, Aeneas.
And look, there's a giant bunny rabbit.
Really?
It's your new public address system, sir.
Passengers wishing to travel to train.
Coming up the Hero! Are you all right?
Oh.